Hi everyone, my name is Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today is Friday Fabulousness and I have some exciting things to share with you. First thing up, guys, it's all about Hermes and Chanel today. I got this Magic Kelly scarf. I believe it's from 2013. So I got it in really good condition. It's just, is that not gorgeous or what? Now it's a 45 centimeter one, so it'll be like, you know, around my neck. I can do it around my wrist. Or I could do it in my hair, but you know, or I could just put it on my bolide, which I probably will do. So that's the first thing. Next, I have this gorgeous Bearne wallet in the rose Tyrien and also with the Blanc color. Now, is that not gorgeous or what? Now, this was actually a steal. It was on one of the boutiques, the pre-loved ones that go online, and they originally were asking, I think like $2,000, then it went to $1,500, then it went to $800, and then it went to $380. So I don't know if that was a mistake because there was kind of some issues with the order, but anyways, start the car, chat up. And this was on their website for, I'd say, 8 months. So yeah, and it was listed in good condition, and you open it up like this. I took out all my cards. So it has, whoops, the zipper pocket for change, which I don't think, because this one is so nice in the Blanc color, I don't think I will use it ever for change. But yeah, this was just, it was one of those finds, like it's just unbelievable. This is Epsom leather, and even when it went down to, I think like 800, I wasn't interested because I'm not a fan of that leather, but I'm a fan of this color. And when it went below that, I was just like, okay, I mean, I have to try it out. And actually, everything that I've read about Epsom leather, you know, good or bad, mostly the bad stuff, I actually really like it. It is a nice leather. I know people have issues with scratching, but yeah. This is actually from 2011, guys. So, and I also got it because of the contrast stitching here. Now this is one of my favorite colors for Hermes is the rose Tyrien, and I thought it would look so perfect in my OG Birkin, shoulder Birkin. But I can't just stop saying I love it, because it was, first of all, the find of the year. Like, you never hear about these things. And then also pink and white, like, come on, absolutely my favorite. Okay, next up we have is this little Cadena. I've been collecting them when they are at a really good price and also really good condition. This one is from 2001 and it is inscribed in French on both sides. And I'm not even going to attempt that with my French, guys. But in English it says, man can beautify the earth. And this little ball in the middle moves. And this is also a push down, so you push down there and then you can attach it. And it came with the original dust bag, guys, so another really good find. Sticking with Hermes, not such a good find. Came this little, I guess I should show you, right? So it came in a box, tissue paper, everything. It came with like the cards, everything like that. Oh my gosh, but look at the condition. It is rose Sakura, and it is the little tiny coin purse, but the condition definitely was not as described. It is quite dirty. I did clean it when I first got it, but I'm gonna ask my husband to see if he can get the rest out. So I mean, it was inexpensive enough that I wasn't gonna return it, but it sure did not look like the pictures. So you know what, sometimes you don't always get what you want. Next came, let's still stick with Hermes. Okay, why am I opening the box and not showing you guys, right? Okay, so it came in a little box like this. Came with everything, all the tissue paper, all the cards and stuff like that is back there. I just get them out of the way because I've had issues before when I try to open things and it's just like, no. So I just try to prep ahead, right? So this is, oh my gosh, this is Mauve Sylvester, and the color, and it is the Bearne, wait for it, key holder, guys. Like, whatever, it is so cute. And I like the color. I mean, I like all of Hermes pink colors. So this was, and I've had nothing in Mauve Sylvester, so I was actually really happy to get it. And you just, here I am fumbling around with it, but I am going to put my keys in there, and then you go like this, you close it up like that. So cute. So here are the two colors, Rose Sakura, and then Mauve Sylvester. I keep forgetting. So you can see the two pinks together. So let's see, what else do we have here, guys? I think one more Hermes. And yeah, remember, these were finds like of the past, I don't know, 6 months. Oh my gosh. Now this is also Mauve Sylvester. It's called In the Loop. How cute is that? I mean, that little whatever that is, a face. Oh, here we go. Put it right way up, Denise. There we go. Is that not cute or what? So it has a little cute little tab there, guys. And then no more, and then you open it up. And you can put, I'm guessing 2 cards. I actually haven't used it yet. I will definitely use this for my smaller bags. And then what I like is this little coin pouch here. And you zip it up like that. Snap it closed. But yeah, it's called In the Loop, and it's so cute. So that'll be for my smaller bags. So I think that's it for Hermes. Okay, Chanel. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I needed a new makeup bag because I've had a pouch, I don't know, I think it's Chanel or Gucci, and it's trashed anyways. So this one came up, the box and everything. I actually thought this was a bag when it came up, guys. But look how cute that is. Like, oh my gosh. And I believe the date code on this, it came with everything too, guys. It came with the authenticity card. Let's get all this stuff out. So did I take the mirror off yet? Hang on. Probably got all my finger marks on this mirror. Hang on while I quickly clean it with my skirt. Okay. Okay, so there we are, quilted. Look at that. It has a cute little back pocket, like, oh my gosh. You open up, snap closure. It has, hang on, my daughter says, stop showing everything on the mirror. So it has a mirror right there. So you can, oh, okay, gotta do my makeup, or do my lipstick. And then this is the inside. It's actually pretty spacious. And it has these two little back pockets, and it's quilted, guys. So it's definitely the cutest makeup bag I ever had. And then there's a tag right there. So I'm just gonna put the stuffing back in, and I'm gonna get all my makeup and put it in there. But yes, this was a good find. And I needed a little Chanel O pouch, and I found one, of course, in pink, in the fuchsia. I was looking for the white, but couldn't find it at a good price, mind you, because remember, I'm finding things I'm trying to find them at, well, not try, I do. I don't pay. I don't pay what they first ask. I wait for everything to go on sale. And then, you know what? If it goes, it goes. Another one is eventually going to come along, right? And it could even be in better condition. So anyways, long story, I needed a little pouch. And there's the inside, guys. And it has another little pocket there. And as I said before, it came with a box and cards and everything. For Friday fabulousness, the makeup I'm wearing today is the Chanel Jade Facette that I did in my beauty haul. That's how it looks on me. I'm wearing the YSL blush, and then I put on the YSL lipstick. And then I also did a topping of the Christian Dior. I like to mix the lipsticks. So, because I said in my beauty haul, I would let you know as I'm trying out the makeups, because I didn't do any swatches or anything. So this is me wearing the makeup. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for being with me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in my next video, and have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.